dumaan. Oh, station of the cross.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Matthew. Now on the occasion of festival, the Procreator was accustomed to release one prisoner.
Pwede yung see-through bottle, not the... Pangit na ba nila ng rule nila? Kasi nga, siguro yung iba, alam mo kung bakit yung hindi see-through. Kasi yung iba baka na din ang paint, vandalism. Di ba? Hindi lahat kakalaig.
The reason why probably they have.
This is a station of the
yung ano.
cross.
Okay lang. Maybe they put paint, something like that.
Ito yung station of the cross ni Jesus.
Kanina pa naman nga nagsimula, di ba? Last Supper nagsimula.
This sunscreen is like walking out on the sea.
Ay, ako. Mari pa hawak ka. Siyang ko lang ito.